Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm just going to share this bug in Subaru's new head units. So I've got this new Starlink head unit from Subaru in my Subaru Impreza. And I have a couple of times encountered a couple of bugs in it where one time, like it just all the audio just got disabled where I just couldn't hear anything. I couldn't hear any of my calls, any of my music, or even the radio channel. I could flick through everything, but nothing was working. Like I just couldn't hear anything. And today I just had another issue where it just wouldn't connect to my Bluetooth. So there is a simple solution for it. You just need to do a soft reset on the unit. Now, if you're having a Bluetooth connection issues, I would recommend you actually restart your phone as well sometimes, or put it on an airplane mode quickly and then disable the airplane mode, because that resets your antennas and that should help you connect. If that doesn't work either, that's when you can actually do this quick reset. Now, this quick reset would not delete any of your settings. It would keep everything, and it's very simple to do. And 9 out of 10 times, it would fix your issue. My issue is already fixed, but I just wanted to do another quick soft reset just to show you guys, to share with you how to do it. There isn't many instructions available about it online, and I've gone through the instructions manual, and I couldn't find anything on the instruction manual on how to do the soft reset. Now it's very simple. Let's get to it. Now you have these two knobs, your volume and your tune and scroll button, and also your CD eject button. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold all three of them at the same time, and you're going to press and hold it, and you're going to wait for it to reboot. It should turn off in a second. There we go. It's just turned off. There we go. It's just booted up again. And press agree. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds because it's loading. If it's taking too long, even try pressing the power button. There you go. It's back up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the quick soft reset that you can do in your Subaru Starlink head units. And if you guys have any questions or any other tricks, let me know. I'll be interested in reading that in the comment section. Otherwise, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.